Hi there, my name is Richard and I am an educator at TalkingDeck. I have the honor to be your host in the final tutorial of the TalkingDeck series. You have learned quite a lot so far and, undoubtedly, came a long way. I am sure that your videos look great and that you can achieve almost anything you imagine by now. We will wrap the things up with two important pieces of the puzzle. In this tutorial we will learn how to add breaks in order to have the full control over the dynamics of the narration. Also, we will cover the ways you can add subtitles to your videos in TalkingDeck. Let's begin. One of the important features which we think is of utmost importance is adding a break or a pause in the narration. You need it when you want to add some silence to let the viewer concentrate on the screen content. Also, when you want to emphasize something in the narration. In fact, we use it quite often and you will certainly use it in many other cases as well. Adding a break requires another tag, so-called break tag. You can see the example on the screen. Just as with previous tags, the tag name is followed by the tag value. The tag value is the duration of the pause in seconds. I will now keep quiet for the amount of time from the example, that is for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you need a pause of less than a second or something that is not an integer value, you can always use the decimal number for the duration. Okay, now it is time to talk about subtitles. TalkingDeck supports two types of subs. First, you can use so-called hard subtitles. Hard subs are encoded, or burned directly into the video. When you watch the video, you have to see the hard subtitles, just as you see them here. The other option is to embed the subtitles. Embedded subtitles are added into the video file, and you can turn them on and off in your video player. Most of the players nowadays support this feature. Finally, you can choose not to add subtitles at all. Depending on your choice, your final video will be exported either with hard subs, embedded subs, or without subtitles. This wraps it up. Now you have all the tools to create great narrated video content right from your Google Slides presentations. Feel free to experiment and contact us if you need additional assistance. Bye bye and see you in your own video projects.